Hello DIY friends, welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, I showed how to cut a full flare circle skirt. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I put the already cut out pieces together to form this full flare midi skirt. For this skirt, the following items are what I'll be using: my already cut out skirt pattern, already cut out lining piece, the heart neck cut out in full flare, the waistband. I also ironed on a medium weight fusible interfacing to give it a little firm. A zipper, hook and eye, a matching thread, fabric cutting scissors, marking chalk, marking pencil, tape measure with some pins. I will begin with locating the center of the net by folding the net by half and place a notch. I laid the wrong side of the main skirt piece up and placed my net onto it. Note that the net fabric comes directly on the main piece before the lining to give comfort. I match up the center notches and place a pin to keep both pieces together. Also match it up at about ½ an inch from the notch of the zipper opening and pin it together. I took the other end and pinned together, then went on to match the waist of the net round the waist of the main piece and pin everything around. I will take this to my machine and sew round with a basting stitch. Basting is a temporary stitch. After sewing the net on the main piece, I went in with an overlocker to give the edge a clean finish. If you do not have a serger, you can use one of the zigzag stitch on your machine to clean up the edge. The next step is to sew on the zipper, which I already have a detailed video for. This process I will play fast, so click on the link up here now to go see it, or the link in the description, then come back and complete the skirt. From here, make a basting stitch from here to this point here. Then at this point we'll make a backward stitch here, and then with a normal or regular stitch we'll sew it down all the way to the hem and ending it with a backward stitch here. That's what it looks like now. And after sewing it from the inside, as you can see, I didn't attach the net to it while I was sewing. I only sewed it and I kept the net aside. I will be installing the zipper onto the main skirt piece only before attaching the lining. The zipper is well installed and the skirt is already coming together. The lining will come in before the waistband. I turn the skirt wrong side out and put the net together. I will measure the length of the zipper, including an inch on the net to create an opening and keep the net out of the way. I will sew from this point down, beginning and ending with a backward stitch. To install the lining piece, I will pull down my zipper, place the notch point of the lining on the zipper and pin down. Then go round the waist with the lining fabric at this point. I will twist the lining inwards, then place it on the zipper and secure with some pins for the same length. I will sew it down like I did for the net before sewing the waistline. This is what it looks like. You can press it down with an iron. Now I'll go round the waistline with my pins. Take it to the machine and sew round with a straight stitch. Time to attach the waistband. I have attached the lining. Also, I ironed on a medium fusible interfacing onto one side of the waistband to make it a little firm, leaving the half-inch sewing allowance. With the wrong side out and the zipper facing up, I took the part without the interfacing, leaving about half an inch at the side and placed it on the zipper at the waistline. Flip or wrap it around the zipper teeth and secure it with a pin. I will also pin the rest of the waistband round the waistline to keep it together. Watch this point closely as I'm about to show you how to create the hook and eye casing with these 2 inches left over. I will not wrap it tightly like this, no. Rather, I'll wrap this loosely around the zipper, leaving about 1.5 inches out from the waistline, then add a pin. Beginning and ending with and using a straight regular stitch, I will sew it round with half an inch seam. The first part of the waistband is attached. This is what it looks like. I'll trim out the excess at the waistline. I will turn it over using the scissors to push out the ends. You can use a loop turner. I will press in the half inch from the side and top, then fold it on the seam line where I attach the first phase of the waistband. You can go press down with an iron. I will go in with pins while folding down. check that the lining is out of the way. After adding pins, this is what it looks like from the right and wrong sides. Using a straight stitch, finally, I will sew from the top down, turn the edge, then round. You can check the link up for a video on how to sew turns, curves, edges, and straight lines. I will also do the hem for the main skirt, lining and net, as well as sew on the hook and eye. Then you have this beautiful ready-to-wear skirt. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, then like and share it. Subscribe to keep seeing more videos from me, and until my next video, do have a great day.